Welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to discuss that how can you disable the feature where the scroll bars on the either side of a Chrome browser gets disabled for a few minutes of inactivity. So this could be a very small thing, but when you are surfing the internet, this issue can cause severe problems. Like if you're not using a mouse and you're using a touchpad from your laptop, then scrolling can be a bit difficult and you might want to use the scroll bars. So once they are disappearing from your screen because of inactivity, then the process becomes quite difficult. So how do we solve this problem? Let's just dive right into the solution. The solution is very simple. You need to open up your Chrome browser and in the address bar type in this Chrome, the word Chrome, put a colon, 2/, then the word flags and then again a slash. So let's just press enter key. Once you do that, the flags related to Google Chrome would be visible in front of you. Now these flags are the different values related to Chrome which we can manipulate as per our needs. And in the flags we just search for scroll bars. Overlay scroll bars is the option you gotta go for. Make sure that you select to disabled, then click on relaunch. Once you do that, then the error would have been solved. So you need to basically relaunch your Chrome browser and not just your whole desktop. So just relaunch the Chrome browser and your solution would kick in. The error would have been solved. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.